How are you doing, guys? It's Joe from Jordanbikes and welcome to the video of this BMW R1200GS Adventure. This one is the low chassis version, so it's just slightly lower on the rear end. If you're a little bit shorter, then obviously you can touch the floor on it. But this one is a 2017 67 plate. The bike's actually keyless, it's the keyless model, so you press your button down there and they're a really well spec'd bike of these. It has done, let me just have a look there. 6,161 miles. It's a really lovely thing, triple black. You don't see many of these about nowadays. And the spec on them is just crazy. So you get the full LED front light. Obviously, as you've seen as the camera pans across, you've got a headlight protector on there as well. Being the triple black, you obviously get the black paintwork, the slightly black frame, black engine. It's got engine bars for your protection on the engine obviously and on the frame as well. This one's been fitted with a 2-box alloy luggage which does use the same key as the bike. You get heated grips, you get different power modes, cruise control, electronic adjustable suspension. Being a 67 plate on this one, you've actually got auto as well on the electronic adjustable suspension, so it does actually do it for you as you're riding. It gets used to how you are riding. That big 1200 fired up for you. So the bike is keyless, the key's there. You come across, you press your button, and obviously your full digital display pops up with your analog speedo. Bonus for this bike, it has got the BMW Nav 6 with it. So you've got the tyre pressure monitor on there as well. You've got your cruise control here, your spotlights, your electronic adjustable suspension, your ABS. They're a fantastic bike, these. One of the chaps who works here, he's also got one of these and absolutely loves it. But with the sat nav, obviously you can plan all your route there, check your tyre pressures. You can actually link it to this part here on the handlebar, so you can zoom out there, you can zoom in, you can come across there, and obviously you've got a compass. If you come out, you can see obviously your tyre pressure there. You can link it to your phone as well, so you actually play the music if you've got the ear pod things in your helmet. Just a really well spec'd bike, fantastic for touring on. Even if you just want to have a fly around on a weekend, they are a really good handling bike. There's probably a couple of things I've missed with it, but you do get gear shift assist also, so that means that you get the quick shifter and the auto blipper, fully adjustable screen, and like I said, it is the R1200GS Adventure TE and it's a low chassis version. I'm 6'3", the seat obviously can be adjusted in 2 positions, and I can easily touch the floor on it. So there you go, triple black, looks fantastic, sounds of business. It's not your usual corroded GS, it is a really nice clean bike. So if you do want this one, do be quick, they always seem to sell very fast. Get yourself down to Jordanbikes, give us a call, come and see it for yourself and get your name on it. Thanks very much.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.